Okay, I think we're pretty good at doing ground state electron configurations. But let's just do it for an ion real quick. This is going to be the titanium plus 2. So that plus. So the titanium plus 2, it's lost 2 electrons. That is the cation for titanium in this particular case. And so let's actually move over to periodic table. And let's do this on our periodic table here. Okay, so let's find titanium. So titanium is going to be right here. Okay, so it has 22 electrons. So now I gotta fill everything up with 22 electrons. Okay, and so I can do the condensed electron configuration. The titanium's right there. So I go look at the noble gas, and the noble gas there is going to be argon. Okay, so there's argon. So I'm just going to pick up there. So it's going to be argon. It's going to be the 4s. So 4s2. And for the D's, that's going to be the n minus 1. So in this case, it's going to be the 3d. And then there are 2d electrons. And so this is the condensed electron configuration. And since I'm doing this, let's just do the full one. If I start from here, so I'm going to do the full configuration. I'm trying to get down here to titanium right here. So I just start going across that periodic table. So for the full one, I go 1s2. So I'm done with this. Come down here. This is going to be the 2s2. Done with that. Now I come over here. So that's going to be the 2p6. So all those electrons are taken care of. I'm going to come up here to the 3s2 again. Sorry, 3s2. So again, I'm just moving across the periodic table. This is going to be my 3p. So this is going to be the 3p6. Now I'm down here to the 4s2. 4s2. And now I'm down here. I'm almost to titanium. I got 2d electrons I got to fill in. So it's going to be the 3d2. So here's my condensed, here's my full electron configuration. But I'm not doing it for titanium. I want titanium plus 2. And the thing I want you to remember here is that you can take away 2 electrons, but where are you going to take those from? When you're looking at transition metals, which is what titanium is, then it is more energetically favorable to lose those s electrons first, and this will be for all transition metals that we're talking about. So for titanium plus 2, this is going to lose those 2 s electrons. The full electron configuration would be argon. I like to indicate that that's going to be 4s0. There's no more in there. 3d2. This is the electron configuration for titanium. It's plus 2. This is the condensed, and if I want to do the full one, then I would just change that to 4s20. It loses those s electrons first. 3d2. So you should be able to know how to do both cations and anions, positive charges and negative charges. Remember, if it's cation, it's losing electrons. For an anion, it's actually gaining electrons. And just when we're in the transition metal section, that we're going to lose those s electrons before we come and take away any more d electrons.